Hey guys, it's Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. This is your ES Mini Oil and Euro recap for July 24th, 2012. Today was an interesting day. I actually took up more trades in the futures than I normally like to take. First, I want to talk about the minis. I trade the minis on a 12-minute bar. I like to trade oil on a 5. It's a little faster pace, and I like to trade the minis on a 12. So let's bring up the minis right here, make sure my timetable is right. So I took a trade right here. We opened up this morning. Let me see where we opened at. So we opened up this morning at 13.45 half. I say 80% of the time we get the high or low within the first hour. We got the high within the first hour, 13.46.25. Right when we got into the cloud, I sold at 13. I sold them right here at 13.42 half. I was going to risk to above the cloud, and we were straight down. I took profits at 13.80, 13.38 half. And then 13.32 half, sold off even lower to 13.24. And the day we got a little bounce, but when Apple came out and missed their earnings, we sold. The market is going to sell back off tomorrow. Key levels for tomorrow: 13.24 today's low, 13.38 half, which is the high. Interesting day in the market. We go up 5 straight days and we get whacked. We go down straight 6 straight days and then we rally hard. Euro, I'm still short the euro. I continue to talk about anytime it rallies, I want to be short it. Any rally in euro, I want to short it. I look at the euro on a 240, and I look at it at the 24-hour timetable. So euro, might have bounced off this 120.60 level. I still think it gets to 118.74. Talked about the sell setup at 122. Next thing I want to look at is oil, and I took a bunch of oil trades today. It was a very challenging time for oil. There's many traps in there. I got trapped on one. Let me bring it up right here. I sold. Why is this timetable is different? As I change the timetable, the cloud's going to change. I traded on the Ichimoku cloud, so I got trapped down here. I sold right here at 88.50. I had to stop at 94. Got trapped up here, which I didn't really like, but I did get trapped, and I did take profits off here. And then I also bought the breakout here, and I got profits up here. This is Andrew Keene from Keene on the Market. One thing I want to talk about is Apple. Apple looks like it's might be rallying a little bit. Huge sell-off. So let's bring up Apple in the daily. Down to about this 570 level. So where is Apple's support? Where does Apple have support? All its support, right? 530. If I drew it, I could draw it here, 550. But this 570 level, I think, will be very critical. A lot of volume is traded here in the past, so 570, I think, will be critical. Apple traded down to about 566. I did buy some stock in the after hours. I have a huge stop down as 538 just on the overnight session, just in case something happens in Apple. But 570 should be very critical for Apple. I think Apple can bounce into here. This is Andrew Keene from KeeneOnTheMarket.com. We will run it back tomorrow, and I can't wait for another live day in the trading room. And if you guys have any questions, you can email sales@KeeneOnTheMarket.com. Thanks, guys. I'll see you guys all tomorrow.